Best gifts come in mini packages. Hi Meisner makers, I'm Anaya. Today we're going to quilt with my domestic machine on the new Grace Mini Quilter tabletop fabric frame. It's so easy to set up and even easier to put away when not in use. With the Mini Quilter, long arm quilting is for everyone. You're able to enjoy the long arming experience and the lowest price. This lightweight and compact frame allows you to sew, quilt, and stitch anywhere. I love how smoothly it glides along the fabric. Here I'm going to set up my machine and press start. And there you go. Right now I have it set at a medium speed, but I definitely can go faster if I wanted to. We love the Mini Quilter because it provides a great solution for those interested in long arm quilting but have limited space. Did we mention that you can use your own sewing machine with this frame? There's no need to invest in an expensive long arm machine. Pre-order this amazing frame in stores and online at meisnersewing.com.